Hola clase, Mr. Cappy here, showing you the directions on PR14D Homestyler Design. So on this one, we're going to start by downloading a picture, which is going to be our template here. So if you highlight that and you right-click on it, you can save the image as and save it. Just pay attention to where you save it, whether it's the downloads folder, documents, whatever, and what you name it as. So once we save that there, we're going to then go click on this Homestyler link. When we click on this link is going to take us to this Homestyler website. It's going to ask us to sign in. We will sign in with our Google account and use your school Google account. When it comes up, select that as an option. All right, and it'll load up and give us an option to import things or to start fresh. We don't want to start fresh. We're actually going to use that picture that we just downloaded to import it. Now be patient. It may take a second to pop up. And if you do get this notification, you can just skip over that. We'll import an image, and we're going to go get that image that we just downloaded. That we'll bring it in here like this, and we're going to auto-generate it. And when they ask us for the size, we're going to tell them 100 meters squared. So down here we select 100 meters squared, and it will automatically create the document for us. It'll create a blueprint of the house, just this exact specification. So while it's doing that, we're going to head back here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the description that's in here, La Casa de mis sueños, to describe the house. As you look through it, you see that say things like, my house needs 3 bedrooms. In bedroom number 1, I'd like una cama para mí y una cómoda muy grande. These are all vocabulary words. Look for words like un or una, or numbers like dos or tres. It'll tell you the objects they're looking for. So here it says una cama, a bed for me. So what we're going to do inside this home here is we're going to get a bed. Everything can be found in the model library. Most of our stuff comes out of the catalog, but some of the structures will come out of the window. So if you hover over the catalog, it'll allow you to pick stuff out of the rooms. We need a bed for him, so we're going to go to the bedroom and click on beds. Only thing to watch out for, these little dollar signs. These are ones you have to pay for to use. We obviously want to skip those, but he said a bed for him. Any of these beds would be just fine. You click on the bed, and you can drag it and put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it in this first bedroom here and click it. You can rotate it in any direction you'd like it. You can move it around the room, drop it where you want. And there are 2 views we can look at. The easiest to work with is this overhead view, but we can also click over here on the side and change it to the 3D view as well, which will be a little tougher to work with. And you can move it around and move the camera into the room so we can see inside of each room. You can zoom in and out using the camera positions. And you can look at it from multiple different views by dragging and dropping it overhead, sideways, whenever you so desire. All right, so it's as simple as that. Like I said, they needed a dresser in there as well. So we go find a dresser. We can use the search to look for things here and come up with things. Again, watch out for those dollar signs. He needed a muy grande, very big. So this one here looks big. We'll just put that in. And again, you drop it where you want it. You can move it around. If you put it near the walls, it'll snap to the wall, so it'll go up against the wall. We'll put it right here. And now it's in there. You can move the camera guy around here and place him wherever you would like him and move where he looks at. And that will affect your 3D view over here. And again, you can swap the views if you want to see it a little bit better. So here's the inside of the room. You can see there's his bed and there's the dresser we just put in there. All right, when you're done for the day, we're going to click on File, Save As, and I just want you to set the project name as your user ID. So 890, whatever it is, make the link public, and hit Save. That's saved. When you come back tomorrow, what we'll do is we'll go straight to the Homestyler website, and instead of starting a fresh one or going over again, you'd enter into the Homestyler thing, click on Open, and you'd be able to find the one you just created in here. You probably won't have any other ones like I do. You'll have just this one. When you click on that, it'll load it up. You can use, again, either view to put stuff in, but you just keep continuing, going back to that Casa de mis sueños link to determine what these people need. All right, good luck, guys. Adios.